So, do you ever take time to find out how your favorite restaurants makes those succulent samosas or those finger-licking mshkakis? Well, if you have seen this man around your butchery or restaurant, you may just be eating an unusual samosa. Raphael Nyawe Gandani alias Mrefu let the cat out of his own bag, literally. Mrefu was caught red-handed slaughtering a cat in an alley in Mombasa's Kongowea area. Asked what his intentions were, Mrefu admitted that he was contracted by a local businessman who specializes in samosas and mshkakis to slaughter the cat. He said that he was paid 10 shillings for every cat slaughtered.
Bana tukipita hapa tuzo samsa vile jamaa wasema pale hivyo samsa shilingi 10 ama tatu shilingi 10. Washangaa hii nyama ina gani huu nyama? Unaona tunakula sambusa lakini kumbe ndani ni paka. Hata anaweza kuwa tunakula hata mapanyabuku basi. Mtu anaenda saga maumbo. Sasa itakuwa unaweza kuwatia magonjwa watu tofauti tofauti ama vipi?
The area residents, perhaps imagining what they have been eating, unleashed a serious beating on him, and it took the efforts of police to stop the angry mob. The self-confessed cat slayer pleaded with the angry residents not to lynch him, saying he had no other source of income. He, however, refused to identify his alleged contractor and was arrested and is currently detained at Kongowea Police Post. Asha Mwilu, KTN Prime.